right, electrolysis. So I've got 1 kilogram of aluminum. Basically, there's two ways I can start an electrolysis problem. I can either multiply amps times seconds or start from mass. So in this case, I'm going to start from mass. I'll go ahead and convert it to grams. So it's 1,000 grams. I also need to know what the charge of aluminum is. I can get that from the periodic table. Maybe I just know it, or I can use the nitrate -1 to figure it out, but it's a +3. So I'm going from +3 to a 0, so I'll need 3 electrons to do that. All right, so now starting from my 1,000 grams, first thing I want to do is convert it to moles. So I'm getting the molar mass from my periodic table. And so I'm going to divide by that. Then I want to get to moles of electrons, and I'm using my little balanced equation I wrote where 1 mole of aluminum needs 3 moles of electrons to be transferred from 3 plus to 0. And then this is an old version of the equation sheet, but I'm using it to get Faraday's constant. So I'm finding that on there, and it's 96,500. There's lots of different ways you can write the units, but the way that is going to help me here is it's 96,500 amps times seconds per 1 mole of electrons. And I want the 1 mole of electrons to be on the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and just put this in my calculator now. If I check my units, the grams of aluminum cancel, moles of aluminum cancel, and moles of electrons cancel. So my unit will be just amps times seconds at the end. It's a pretty big number, so I'll go ahead and convert it to scientific notation. (1.07 times 10 to the 7th). All right, I want just time, so I'm going to divide by 100 amps. That's how much it told me I had. And it's still a pretty big number. This would be in seconds at this point. It doesn't ask me for a specific time unit, so I'll just pick one that makes sense. So I'm going to divide by 60. Okay, I accidentally divided by 6, so to get back, I multiplied it by 6. Now I'll divide it by 60. All right, so just 1.07 times 10 to the 5th divided by 60 would put it in minutes. Still a pretty big number, so maybe I want to divide it by 60 again. And that looks like a good choice for me, 29.78, so about 30 hours. And that's it.